Welcome back to Beach Vlogs. To support the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Let's go.
What it do, guys? Happy Friday. And welcome back to another edition of Vlogging with Hope. And today, guys, we'll be out here on the beach just rocking out a little bit. Letting y'all see what the scene looking like. Yeah, everybody out here rocking and rolling, man. Yeah, what y'all getting into today, though, guys? I want to say thank y'all for tapping in. And, you know, even if you ain't got but a couple seconds to come through and just rock with me, man. But, yeah, this is what it is, though. Shout out to Team Hope. All my new subscribers. Everybody rocking with the chat. Here, I got a lot of people eating down here at Pompano Joe's. Coming and going from the beach to the food. Smelling good out here like hamburgers and funnel cakes. There's a lot of people just now pulling in. Bro got the Mario hat. That's pretty neat. What's some activities y'all like to do, guys, when y'all go out to the beach? Y'all need to bring snacks and stuff, or, you know what I'm saying, little stuff like that. Read you a book, you know, anything. Me personally, when I come out to the beach, I like to bring my little surfboard and doing my little thing. Rocking the waves. I've been catching up on a lot of that basketball. Yeah, Detroit been rocking out. Yeah, so guys, Detroit Pistons, they've been doing their thing. Also, I've been watching the Miami Heat. They've been rocking. Yeah, guys, yo, I thank y'all all for tapping in with your boy. Like I said, guys, we'll be back with more videos like this. Stay tuned, man. Keep rocking with your boy. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next live. Let's go. We out.